We are starting everything about linear equation from the scratch to the end. So if you have chance on this video, make sure you stay here. And if you have a challenge here, or if you know anyone who has challenge on linear equations, tag the person to learn with us. So linear equation, a graph of linear equation give us a straight line. A graph of linear equation give us what? A straight line. So linear equations are mostly of the form ax plus b is equal to 0. They are in the form of this. So the highest power of the x over here is 0. Highest power of x is 1. Highest power of our x is what? 1. So mostly linear equations are of this nature, of this form. If the highest power of x is 2, it becomes quadratic. If we have x squared, it means it is not linear. Now it is what? Quadratic. Good. So we have several forms of linear equations. So let's look at this. If I write 2x is equal to 4, 2x is equal to 4. Now you will see that we have numbers and what? Letters together over here. So there are certain things you need to know before you tackle questions on linear equations. You need to know your constant terms. Constant terms are the figures in it. The figures in it, they are the constant terms. So if you look at this, the 2 and the 4 are what? The constant terms. So 2 and 4 are what? They are the constants. Then the x, we don't know its nature. We are yet to find. We are yet to find it. So this one is the unknown. Unknown. In maths, you must know the difference between unknown and a variable. Unknown and a variable, they are not the same in maths. So let's look at this. These are constants. Because if you take 2, 2 is always 2. You can't change the nature of 2. You can't change the nature of 4. So we say they are constant, they are uniform. They are the same always. But let's look at this. Why are we using unknown but not a variable here? Now, there is an equation. We need only single value of x that will make this equation to be true. So what number are we supposed to put here to make it to be equal to 4? If you put 2 here, 2 times will give you 4. So it is unknown and we are yet to find. If you use a variable can take multiple forms or multiple numbers, right? Variables can take multiple nature or multiple numbers. But here, we are using unknown because we need to get only one value for the x. So mostly, if it is algebraic expression, we say a variable, the alphabet in an algebraic expression, that's expression without what? Equal to. We use equal to. We use a variable. We use the term variable. But if it is equation like this, the letters in it are called what? Unknown. So now let's solve for the unknown in this. So one thing you must notice is we have 2x is equal to 4. Anytime this one, you see, there is no symbol here. There is no symbol over here, like plus or minus over there. So meaning they are multiplying. It means 2 times what? X. 2 times x. So to find for our x here, if they are multiplying like this, they are the constant number and then the variable, they are multiplying. This is what you can do. You just divide. By what? The constant, that is 2. So when you divide by the 2 here, you do the same thing to this side. So what are we going to get here? 2 will cancel 2 here. Our x is going to be what? 4 divided by 2 here is going to give us what? 2 over here as our answer. As simple as that. But let's say it were to be plus x plus 2 is equal to 4. This one, we have a symbol that is separating the 2. X plus what? 2. That is equal to 4. So that means if it is plus, we have to get rid of the 2 here to get this. So this, to get rid of this, the opposite of the plus is what? Subtraction. So you need to subtract 2 from both sides. Or simply, you can say, let's take this one to this side. It's the same as subtracting 2 from here, subtracting 2 from here. So we are going to get x is equal to 4. Now this is positive, right? So when you move it here, we are going to get minus 2 over here. So now our x is going to be what? 4 minus 2. That will give you 2. So you must take note of, if there is no symbol between the constant and the variable, it means they are multiplying. And when you are getting rid of the constant, we divide. If we have a symbol like this, we have plus here. To get rid of it, you subtract 2 from both sides. Or simply, you take that number to the other side. That's grouping of like terms. So this is a constant, this one too is a constant. So you move the constants to where we have the constants, okay? So, and here you check the sign, it is positive 2 plus 2. So when you move it here, you're going to get minus 2. As simple as that. Okay, let's look at this symbol, this example. Let's look at this example. 9b is equal to 18. 9b is equal to 18. Let's see. They are multiplying, right? They are multiplying. The 9 is multiplying the b. So to get rid of the b, the 9, you divide by what? 9. Both sides by 9. So 9 will cancel out the 9, leaving you b. 18 on 9. 18 on 9 will give you what? 2 over there. So when you put 2 here, 9 times 2 will give you the 18 over there.